Today's topic for discussion is Rhizopus rot disease of plum. Plum fruit, it is a very much tasty and delicious fruit of India. It occurs throughout the world. It is the best source of sugar, dietary fiber, vitamins and riboflavin, folic acid, nicotinic acid, thiamine, vitamin A and B. All these occurs in this fruit. The important minerals which occur in this fruit are sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium and zinc. These are the very important minerals which occur in this fruit. And this fruit, it is a soft skinned fruit and very easily it get injured. Injury to the fruit responsible to cause post harvest diseases. And today's topic is Rhizopus rot disease of plum. Rhizopus rot disease of plum, it is a disease of major importance because it causes heavy losses of the fruit. And this disease, the Rhizopus rot disease, it is also known as soft rot disease. The soft rot disease is very destructive and important disease of plum, and especially it occurs during transportation and storage periods. One of the plant pathologists, Thakur and Chennulu, they have estimated the losses of fruits due to rhizopus-like pathogen, that is up to 6.3%. The fungal infections can also increase the chances of contamination by mycotoxins, which are potential hazards to human and animal health. The infected fruits becomes unfit for consumption, and these toxins have been reported to cause neurological disorders. Even cancer is caused, cancer of liver, cancer of lungs is caused due to the mycotoxins which are produced by fungal genera in the fruit. Storage rots disease that reduce the quality and quantity of the fruits and that affect the market value of the fruit. Another important thing is that the contamination of the affected fruits by mycotoxins that gets spread, and the fungus is very easily infect the adjacent fruit. If the infected fruit is closer to the healthy fruit, the healthy fruit get infected within 1 and 2 days. Many molds capable of producing mycotoxins that affect the fruits, and generally the another members of fungi, that is Aspergillus fusarium, that involves in mycotoxin production. And apart from toxin production, the presence of fungi on fruits eventually leads to disease development in the field when the seeds of infected fruits are planted. Next slide. Let us see which type of symptoms are produced by the rhizopus-like fungus in plum. Initially, the disease becomes evident in the form of light-colored circular patches on the surface of the fruit. Surface of the fruit shows small circular patches which are light brown in color and they are wet spots. The intensity of color of symptoms may be variable, that depends on the variety of the plum and time of period after infection. The lesions on the fruit, lesions means spots. The lesions on the fruit grow in regular manner and develops into a large circular patches. Gradually the circular spot patches increase in size. The skin of the fruit turns smooth and soft. During heavy infection, what happens? The infected fruit that emit a watery substance. A watery substance comes out from the infected fruit and the pulp of the fruit turn watery. The entire pulp of the infected fruit that get macerated and a watery substance is formed inside that, and that oozes out from the infected, the injured region of the fruit. Later on, huge growth of fungus appears on the affected fruit, the entire fruit get covered with the fungal hyphae, and it is that time where the fungus becomes visible, and such fruits are unfit for the consumption. Such fruits are highly toxic for consumption. Next slide. Next. Causal organism. The causal organism for the soft rot disease of plum is, that is Rhizopus nigricans. It is a very common pathogen. It has a broad spectrum of host range. The mycelium of the fungus, mycelium, it is a thallus of the fungus, that shows fluffy growth, and the stolons of the fungus not well developed and do not form nodes in regular manner. It has rhizoids which are pale yellow in color, which develop at the nodal region and carry sporangia. These are many prostrate sporangiophores in groups or singly. The sporangiophores, sporangia producing stalk-like structure, that is known as sporangiophore, that measure about 0.5 to 2 μm in length. The tip region of sporangiophore that consists of a lemon-shaped sporangium. Sporangium, it is a bag-like structure in which the zoospores are developed. The sporangia are generally 120 to 250 μm in diameter. The shape of the sporangia is mostly spherical, and the columella, the central part of the sporangium, that is called columella, it is spherical or flattened on apophysis, which are 40 to 45 μm in width. The spores are oval or circular, which are 4.8 to 7.0 into 4.8 to 5.6 μm in size and brown in color. This is all about the causal organism of the pathogen. Next slide. Disease cycle and epidemiology. The injured fruits are highly susceptible for the infection of Rhizopus. Every injured fruit get infected by the saprophytic fungi. After infection, the spread of the disease takes place very fast under humid environmental conditions, because humid environmental conditions are very favorable for the growth of the Rhizopus. The relative humidity and temperature plays a very important role in development and spread of the disease. The Rhizopus requires 70% humidity, and that which is highly favorable, and the temperature which is required by the Rhizopus for better growth is 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. That can grow at this temperature between 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the disease cycle of the Rhizopus nigricans. Next slide. Let us see the control measures. Several plant pathologists worked on for the management of the disease. Thakur and Chenulu in 1970 recommended the dipping of plum fruits in 2-aminothiazole, 5% 2-aminothiazole with 2-aminopyridine solution. Again, it is 5% to avoid soft rot disease. But after harvest, it is impossible to dip the fruits into the fungicide. We cannot dip the fruits into the fungicide because it will cause harmful effect on the consumer. And Pathak et al. In 1971, he has suggested the application of combination of different oils to plum to avoid soft rot disease. According to me, once the fruit get injured, definitely it get infected by saprophytic fungi, and that is the loss of the farmer. It is impossible to control the injured fruit when it get infected by fungus. No fungicide is available for that, for the management of injured fruit disease. Okay, and several authors, they worked on the management, and several different types of management strategies has been recommended against the disease. This is all about Rhizopus rot disease of plum.